Welcome to Play Chess Against the Machine. This is a chess teaching app that helps you learn chess by playing against an AI opponent powered by Stockfish. The app shows you the best move before you make your move, so you can learn from the strongest chess engine in the world. You can choose from 3 difficulty levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Each level includes 3 winning strategies that you can study and try to execute. The app supports 4 languages: English, Spanish, French, and Haitian Creole. You can download your move history to review your games and improve. This app was created by Gessner Deslins, engineer-in-chief at GlobalInternet.py. We are based in Haiti and we build tailor-made software solutions connecting the global market with our local expertise. We are proud to say, we are the best. Enjoy the game and keep learning every day.